How to withdraw on Coinbase or how to withdraw money from Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money on Coinbase. Now first things first, you want to open up your Coinbase wallet. There at the bottom you'll find a list of options. You want to select my assets options. Once you select my assets, it'll ask you to choose an option. You want to simply select a particular crypto that you wish to cash out first. So you want to select Bitcoin. Suppose you want to cash out Bitcoin and you want to withdraw money, right? You want to select Bitcoin, and once you do so, it'll give you the list of options. As you can see here on the screen, the Bitcoin detail page will open up. The particular crypto that you select, its detail page will open up, and there you'll get various options. You want to simply select the option that says sell. Once you tap on sell, it'll enter in the amount and then simply tap on review order. Once you do so, you want to simply tap on place order again and then select your local currency here. And once you select your local currency, you'll get the option to cash out. Simply tap on cash out there and then enter in the amount that you wish to cash out. Once you have cashed your crypto, that is, and then simply tap on preview cash out and enter in your details, the account details that you want to cash out on, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can withdraw money on Coinbase. So basically you'll have to first cash your crypto and then you can withdraw it to your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.